Epicflows production.
Epicflows.
Yeah. To the idea, I go do it, you know. To the idea, I go give myself my first line up. First, look, line up and see what go on. Tell myself, say, yo, I never go trim till quarantine over. But people, them never want to. It's like they want pressure me to get a trim, so I go trim today. Watch out. See that? Trim. So I go give myself a trim today. I have a couple razor when I buy by mistake. And I give myself a trim today. Alright, so boom, peeps, see me about to get ready to give myself a line up. I want to be not ask sweet, you know. So I got a razor blade thing. You see? Yeah, now how I get to come into position of this? I actually go to wholesale and I die wholesale buy some things and I just said to the woman I wholesale, tell me one pack of razor blade to you. See, because you know them normally sell them here in the street, them sell them here for like the one bill so you get about 6 in there or 10 or whatever. So one of this me really want to buy. I may not get this, but me still take it. I don't know why I take it, but me still take it. So see me I go pull it. I pull it. I use it. That one is all I want to see me line up, so that one I go see, and I go see me line up and see if me spoil me beautiful line up I normally have. Me spoil it, I phone fault. You know, spoil it, you see me? So I got all our products them, see? I got the alcohol, I got that thing here, the comb, and I got the little brush, so I warm up the face, get the brush in. All of this is going to be lined up, you know, so when you want it, you go get it. Not even going to touch it top, but yeah, rough. Bad boy come out now, so bam. I wonder if the whites feel with this. Which one of them if I really use? Because I think normally I see Baba put something like, he broke this in a 2 and put something like, you know. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on, bro. Alright, I go run it with that one a little bit. And let me see. Run it with this. Look at it and then we see what goes on. I don't see not much I go on with this, you know. I don't think I really don't think of this flavors. Think of that flavors. I have a better chance of me use this. You use this, so I have a better chance to use this. Maybe use this. Down here. Alright. Alright, so. Now, see good? I'm going to ask you it now. I'm going on the next side now. You see what going on the next side. Next side, man. Yeah. I have more, I see more over that side. No. See that side there too great, but it's getting there. It's getting there, you know. It's getting there, peeps. It's getting there. Yeah. It's getting there. And you can't complain no more when I done this. It's getting there. It's getting there. Remember it's my first time, you know, so don't judge. I mean, I have right tools them either. Not too bad so far. I'll get the scissors and forward back. I own a scissors, so I can borrow my sister's scissors. So I'm looking at the mirror and I realize how well so could have really look better. It's time for the alcohol, yeah? Put a little on a little piece of tissue, you know the thing said, and sanitize it up. I don't want to say when I say me sanitize up my products, you know, but I sanitize up the scissors. Come on, alright? So I get out that. Just I need a shear to sharpen up things, but so far things not too bad so far. I'll deal with up so you know. I mess up the airline business, you know, so. Feel like I eat this now, you know, that's what could I do something to this, but you know what, I'm not even touch right there, so. I'm not even touch right there, so. So, yeah, right now we're going to end it with a local alcohol rub. Woo! Yeah. Ramon. Yeah. Whew. Hit that. Woo. Yeah. Before and after.
You gotta watch another ovary.
So yeah guys, that was me getting a lineup, giving myself a lineup. When I request me get a trim, I mean now I left me hard in quarantine, so I do the next best thing. When I request it, I wanna get it. So yeah, if you make it to the end of the video, bless up yourself. Love, peace and respect, as me. I'm glad for you look or watch. So just drop a like if you want to see me do a next type similar video or whatever. Just drop your comment, tell me what you want me to do. Maybe me do it. You know what things said. So touch the street with a self trimmer. I not put the barber out of business doing. I make the barber go and strive, but you know what things said. Yeah man, so bless up on yourself. I'm at thing. Radekal Epicflows production. I'm out. Alright. So I call my sister, I ask her what she think about lineup. If she notice nothing different or whatever, you see me? Tika! Come here! Look, no. One time what I think about my lineup. I think about my lineup. You notice no difference? You notice no difference?
No.
Alright.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Alright. But I don't really know no big lineup on them thing there. Cause I see some things I don't think I should not see anything, but I try a thing. You know, it can work, look a bit, see there. It don't look too bad for a front too. It's not just when I turn so you see them look something there, but the lineup can go on, man. I tell you the lineup can go on. So just work with the lineup, man. Isn't it? Thanks for subscribing. You know what it is. How about
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Shout out Production.
Radekal and Big
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.